Hanumuktai Puno Pikai Kunduchari, Duga Anoba Chahina Lak, Bugi, Yapa Paujil, Pijabagaluna, Masigi, Quigi, Ben, Imuirat, Tonigi, Yapa Paujil, Pijari. Rasnoji Habiriba, Wafum Dudai Quena, 100 Manipurgi, Masigi crisis situation, see a quay Kitang Karagahena, quay deeper Kanoma, quay understanding of Malabum Changi. Sometimes a quay mayamsi, Wang Anabamatam de Sungaire. Kanan of the Sungaire, Mitei Kuki Anigi exists. Siki questions that I am, but when I have see attention to peak raga, India government magi role and responsibilities, Masi Hehe Aquina Kautuk Pagumna, Hehecto Bayam to anything. Adumasi Aquina MHG official singer Anishu Wagisida Impal Secretary meeting Pong Humatams. She is the koi civil society koi kokomi ne amuko then folks koi miyam taro pham matam sida ahan bagi du wari officially saba hobu sida koi ne yam clearly koi gi maikedi thamme India government na Manipur gi thoi ba crisis sida mediator amagi role low ba saganu na koi si koi ne mediator ama dongno ude na koi si sigi crisis asida na koi su party amani habisi koi ne clearly thamme and masi no acknowledge to godabni Masi hana acknowledge toro matungda kamaina akhoi leidiba kuki gi maike romda chin kuki mijo jomi margi moigi voice represent torine na tholei front ta tholei ba makoi gi pressure groups ne then somna kan gi koi gi Manipur gi base CSOs mayam gi representatives ne aduga India government gi representatives ne sigi entity ahum sigi marakta akhoi trilateral engagement ama changi Sidai the India government na wayan bus haraga nakoi ni si kamay to na yasano kay haibase sigi oy da basi pura ka chatlagadi kay dong ida Manipur gi rang solution na bagi sincere attempt ma India government side gi leite habase mai koi accept to minabam chang adui mathakta masi adu su leire aduga atopa aspect amana mu kai no hai kanda hauji koi sidai the India government ki counterinsurgency ki policy sidi oja koi ja dhanbina sumang na per biram Sidi Huzi Boina achieve to get Kaliba Magi objective to Adu di achieve to the line counterproductive or music. Adu Moina quite a shoibasi Makoina counterinsurgency da Moina hard and fast rule applied to the Kanamtana Kaim high there. Among the Su Mayamna Laurum City only when there is hard evidence of gross human rights violation. Kahena Indian Armina human rights violate Akanda. Atrocities at Harakanda, civilian population, innocent civilian da encounter giving the fake encounters, Mam Chatarakan, Aduda the voice Tokwane, Adunatana, Kulai Piber, Lalobo Singa, Indian Army Kutona with the Kanamte opinion later. Because those are the issues between two armed groups. Kashukai de Moy level, Tonazasanov. Adungasidi, the government Namadugi Potugi, Onatena, but they drag in the population. Manipuri Praja Miam see. Civilian population ji pushalaga counterinsurgency to the akoisi stake on a pushalaga akoisi victimized to wagi pono ka yauri ba aduna maram oiga moina khanbana masi tawrakanda responsible oiba laloba singsi mathakta people na moi mathakta tainaba ma natraga moina people sing the open nebasi khang amulta na chenthораga yaushalaga moisi phaba ma na adugi yamna kai hata yam aran policy ma tawgibasi masi mamang dai koina ikon konbagi eastern command ga IGR South conflict to give peak of the time the Unara Wari Samatam da Masi clearly Queen Hirabana. Nakoina Yaliba policy say Masi counterproductive oirani. Nakoina Lushan Kaliba Lalhoba Karadu Lushanabo Honor Bada Ona Tenana another spring of militia group of so either Tolan in winter so I have to see Hibamatam da Moy Masana Ekoi Masi Ekoi order follow to Buni. Masi Queen Loinamak to Wungam Din Habita do it a quick Noega Makatan and guest of Wigi one talk like you better go to New Delhi and convince the Home Ministry. Home Minister convinced or other policy change to have said. Masina Queen Hiragalize. Madugi same poaching a sipo with that Sahi Ani Makai Helasi in the government Saitegi changed to Wafam Late, Handagam Noibana Quena informally Mogi key architect Nina Kanba in the top national security. Team the over top leader ama ni koina contact or wari shana ba filler tharaga koina yenge ba ado jamoina pirakpa responses it's too complicated hai una sebo yate it's too complicated hai message haleba So that means they are complicit. India is complicit. Aduna masigi peace process ama ekhoni initiate tong matamda civilian population gi marakta ekhoni engage tawragasu ekhoi da risk am lay. Because kena adu disrupt tawge hai matamda India gi agent amana ko any agent akhoi gi armed forces obi or mogi intelligence ki agent obi amana to intervention tawraga dalon disturb tawshala matamda whole process is ona tena narrative chakidana adugi risk to leibani akhoi India government gi loop ki wang mudo na akhoi communicate tawraga what is hana woin hona.
Right.
So that's the reality.
Kamai thambi important elements or steps for peace in the state of Manipur.
The government of India just don't have any absolute plan to restore peace. Moi chapchana madugi plan ama leite puthok pasu mamita de. Masi mamang da thokiba crisis sing da su or ethnic conflict sing da su khoni yeng matamda they only wait for natural retirement. Community sing sinwa sam sana dum waraga tantharaga lution gibe mongda tawkibaduna maram oirakanda makhoi handaki thoiba crisis sidasu saigi conflicting parties singsi mathanda oina natural retirement to honana bagi mongda tawrukpagi atem ama yam chawno oi aduna maram oiraga ngasaigi lakadu problem di karino hai kanda akoina peace and hairibasi peace is not just a mere absence of protest or violence, it is rather the presence of justice. But justice pe nanabagi attempt ama government of India gi side gi huji phawda kaim tawte kai tawrai chahi ani makhai sida what is the steps they have taken. Case ama lokatana wai nanaba tawbra kari tawbra inquiry committee install tawi constitute tawi yaithok tana laiki then high court supreme court chapam yam do clubin tawraga pulap paisala thamgraga lakide FIR lising gi mathakta pana khre nothing's gonna come in adu bapot me am do loi leibani na mokhoi na ji ngai ri basi akhoi se dum waraga tantharaga mathanda dum tohan bagi mong because moi masaju involved option grabani na high report sida moina justice pin no honaru matamda maduna moida fire akhoi gi kari haira backfire tor kadra haibagi madugi moida apprehension ma yam chawna leibe mami tai atopa mana first step towards saigi peace the akhona tactically yeng taragadi resettlement and rehabilitation chine because this is the universal rights of every citizen and machi ensure toba machi guarantee toba have state ki quite fundamental over duties ni machi moina neglect toba or machi like toba swaya daba adu machi the challenge torokpa any form of anti peace or disruptive elements into the state ki legitimate right to use forces over anti peace element adu mo use toba damne adu assert togadamne adu da first step se du da changadawne adeda du mosai gi civilian citizens singi magi security property gi security loina mok to state na ensure tora kanda first step se tactically admai changjan bi ya na lowe adagi da topa mana no community is the enemy koi that phare am tawroga su community ma koi na yeng na bane na kanam tan lobe yaroi lobum ju thokte only problem le di certain organized group khara dune haiba organized group si kana no haiba se identify toba aduga madubu deal toba haibaduna state ki responsibilities neba adugi organized toriba group sing dui marakta state na certain group khara da over leverage bithokibudo madugi leverage bithokibagi potuna maram oiraga ngasi moina handopung amdabagi situation ma leigibaduna masi intertwined tawraga government su adugi loop to the yaushan graga moji nanthopung amdabagi issue ma yam chawna mamitai masi gi pochi India government na phajana masi handong na bagi tangai phadaba kogi responsibility ma lei haiba simaga lei tamjage aduga mathang da kogi aina saimang tu amka su reiterate tawjare kogi government of India na changjalami ba mogi any hujik changjalami port me amsi loinama counterproductive oire aduna it's time to change their policy towards Manipur and Northeast at large aduga not just kogi internal issue khatana tana even geopolitical magi policy si boba masi boda ko change to we tangai fadaba lei mamdi akoi si border state oina akoi si lehen grabani na thangnaba leibak singda leiba instability dugi magi impact se koi dum phangan base masi gi pochi change to change hadana tum
pause and peace onan badone mayam na pamisi ado sigi pause the labor city matam sange 2.8 years area habitare aduna sigi 2.8 se mase 3 years 4 years from the sangi duri brageno da mamang da ko central leaders in thamba matam da Manipur da thoki ba crisis sing se adu matam sangna matam lawi because ethnic violence obina mar moraga it takes time have again narrative am labor ni kwai thambi
see Ras state cannot hold the whole population hostages for long time number one Manipur na ngasi thengnariba crisis se, this is the absolute breakdown of constitutional, administrative and political obligations. Ko aduna madu restore tauba, restoration and reinforcement of constitutional, administrative and political obligations is the key. Aduna masigi failure si kanana no masi restore taudo se. Aduna high sigi system ahum se, sigi entity ahum se, machina absolute responsibility hold tawdabani. Aduga ekoigi wenadi we have been giving hope. Akoina IDP resettlement ki then rehabilitation ki high we are talking about 60,000 IDPs.
Right.
That includes everyone.
Everyone.
Kanam ta koi hundomdre.
Yes.
Maduni akoina high se. When we say Imphal is open, masi high matamda no hostile elements left in Imphal high matamda. There is a room for innocent civilian population of the state. Masi yam clear oina koi thamabani.
Right.
Sigi mathak shida irang china makhata na sustain torokta agadi constitutional breakdown ni, administrative lapses ni and political failure ni. Adu tadi sigi ohum sidesda miyam na swedana tainar kani have se masi clearly thamjani.